Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to view form submissions on Squarespace in just a few simple steps. First, click Contacts in the left sidebar to open the Contacts Management area, where all your site visitor information is stored. The Contacts page loads showing all submitted contact information in a table view, including any email addresses collected through your forms, along with submission dates and form names. Next, click Lists and Segments in the left sidebar to access your organized contact groups. This opens a new page displaying all the automatically generated and custom lists you've created. Now click Form Submitters from the list to view everyone who has submitted a form on your site, along with their submission details and timestamps. You'll see the complete contact record for each submission. If you don't see any submissions appearing in Form Submitters, double-check that your form block has the Store Submissions option enabled in its settings. You can export all your form submission data as a CSV file by clicking the three-dot menu at the top right of the Form Submitters page and selecting Export. Form submissions are stored indefinitely on Squarespace, but you can filter by date range using the date picker at the top of the list to find specific time periods. To view detailed information about what someone submitted, click on their email address in the list to open a panel showing all the form fields and their responses. And that's how to view form submissions on Squarespace. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.